Let me tell you about a deal that I flopped. I was a second call and I was on with all the stakeholders. I had the CEO, the CFO, the VP of sales who brought me in, and then the GM of the company. And I knew what I was going to say, but I could tell that by about mid-call, I was off. I was talking too much. I wasn't addressing the concerns that they had, the biggest issues that they had. And it was too late to go back. I just was not on my game that day. So, anyway, we ended the call. I followed up with the CEO and the VP because she was the one who brought me in and recognized how I had gone off, apologized, and offered to help them in any way or answer any questions they may have possibly had. I didn't hear a damn thing after that. But let me tell you what else I did. I kept in touch with them by providing value. That's the key. I wasn't asking for anything, but I sent different things depending on who the person was. So for the CEO, when I found an article that I thought they would resonate with and would be of interest, I sent that. For the VP of sales, I have quite a few contacts in my database. And when I found someone who I thought would be a good person for them, a good client, I forwarded them that lead and did an intro. So I did that a couple times and it took about 4 months. And the VP reached back out to me and invited me on another call, wanted to do a follow-up. And at that time, I really listened and addressed what I was hearing, and we closed the deal. So, moral of the story is, even if you flop a deal, we all have off days. Just think about what can you do to provide value. That really is the key. Don't ask for anything. It may close, it may not. That's not really the point. The point is to keep yourself in good standing. You want people to see what you can offer, and maybe it's that for that company, or maybe it's for someone else who they know. It's that simple. Always come in with value. If this is helpful, if you want to improve your sales, send me a DM and happy to hop on a call and see how we might be able to help you. Take care.